Alright, travel lovers, if you're thinking about your next Italian adventure, let me tell you, Bologna needs to be on your radar. This city isn't just a stopover between Florence and Venice. Nope, it's a destination packed with character, history, and some of the best food you'll ever eat. So, how do you do Bologna right? Let's start in the heart of the city, Piazza Maggiore. This gorgeous square is where it all happens. Picture yourself surrounded by medieval buildings, people watching with a creamy gelato in hand. Right here, you'll find the Basilica di San Petronio, which is actually one of the largest churches in the world. Step inside and take in the art and architecture. It's totally free, and trust me, it's worth your time. Next up, if you want classic Bologna views, you have to climb the Asinelli Tower. Yes, it's 498 steps, but the panoramic views over those red-tiled rooftops are unforgettable. Grab your camera, take a deep breath, and go for it. Now, if you're a foodie, Bologna is basically your dream city. This is the birthplace of tagliatelle al ragu, which you probably know as bolognese. Forget everything you've had back home. This is the real deal. Pull up a chair at a local trattoria, order a plate, and savor every bite. If you love markets, wander through the Quadrilatero district. It's a maze of food stalls, shops, and tiny bars. Grab some fresh tortellini, sliced mortadella, or sample local cheeses. For a deeper dive into Bologna's culture, check out the University of Bologna. Founded in 1088, it's the oldest university in the Western world. The university district is vibrant, packed with students, street art, and cool little cafes. It's a great place to soak up the city's youthful energy. Another can't-miss experience is walking the porticos. Bologna has over 38 kilometers of these beautiful covered walkways, perfect for exploring rain or shine. For something truly unique, follow the Portico di San Luca, which stretches almost 4 kilometers from the city center to the sanctuary of the Madonna di San Luca, perched on a hill. The walk is scenic, and the view from the top is incredible. And hey, if you love hidden gems, don't miss the Finestrella di Via Piella. It's a tiny window that opens onto a secret canal, earning Bologna the nickname Little Venice. Snap a photo and feel like you're in on the city's best-kept secret. Before you leave, make time for aperitivo, Bologna style. Order a spritz, nibble on some snacks, and soak up the lively atmosphere as the sun sets over the city. So, that's how you do Bologna. Whether you're into history, food, or just wandering beautiful streets, this city will win you over. If you're headed to Italy soon, make sure Bologna is on your list. You won't regret it. Thanks for joining me, and happy travels.